Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS shorthand border property. The CSS border shorthand property is very nice. So, using the CSS border shorthand property, like you saw in the previous page, there are many properties to consider when dealing with borders because and also I want you to note one thing. CSS border is having its own shorthand property that we can use. It's very sensitive when we're using it. To shorten the code, it is also possible to specify all the individual border properties in one property. The border property is a shorthand property for the following individual border properties. As you can see, we have border width, border style, and the border color property, which we have discussed about in our previous tutorial. And right now we are going to be using just only single border property right here to specify the width, the style, and also the color. So in our next tutorial we're going to be exploring that. Please, I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time and to the next tutorial. Peace and love.